I'm going out shopping with a family member of mine to move into my apartment for my second year master's until Nate the naked mole rat in the Chevy Colorado behind me is going to express his form of very impatience. You'll see how he does. I put my signal on to change lanes. Watch the response. He pulls up next to me in an attempt to antagonize me, and then I only responded with a get out of here gesture. All of that is just to beat me to the light. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.